Guys, Grok recently launched a new feature that you can use to generate amazing videos for your Folktales channel, and it is 100% free. I'm going to take you through a screen record on how to do this step by step. So if this makes sense to you and it is the kind of video that you would like to watch, you have to sit back and watch this video to the end, and also give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. So without much ado, let's just go into the practical section of this video. Let me show you how you can use Grok to generate amazing videos like what you are seeing on the screen. Amazing, right? So let's get started. So first thing first is for you to go to Play Store or App Store to download Grok. So once you get to your Play Store or App Store, just come down to this search bar and then go ahead to search for Grok. Okay, Grok. So search for it. So once you search for it, you will see Grok AI assistant. So go ahead to install it to your phone. All right. So once you do that, we are going to go to ChatGPT to get our prompts. Okay. So I'm going to say generate an image. Okay. Generate an image prompt of a lady crying. So I'm going to send. Okay, that is number one. Then I'm going to prompt another thing. I'm going to send another prompt. Generate an image prompt of a man cooking. So I'm going to send. Okay, I'm going to do the last one. I just want us to do only 3. So I'm going to say again, generate. So I'm going to send. Okay, we are going to be working with the 3 prompts. So I'm going to copy the first one. So copy it, and then let's go to Grok. All right, let's go to Grok. This is my Grok. So once you open your Grok, this is how the interface will look like. So come over to where you have create videos. As a matter of fact, I made a video on how you can use this to create images. So you can check my video description. You are going to have access to the video to watch, and also my comment section. I'm going to pin the link, okay, to learn how to generate images using Grok. Click on create videos. So then type to imaging. So I'm going to paste the prompt here. Okay, the prompts that we copied. So let me just go through the prompts. Okay, let me edit. Okay, okay, here is the prompt. So I'm going to click here to send. Let's wait for the result. Like, one amazing thing is that Grok is very, very fast. You can see here. Okay, remember the prompt says a young woman sitting alone, tears streaming down her face, her eyes red and puffy from crying. You can see already. So she is holding her knees, okay, close to her chest, looking heartbroken and vulnerable. The background is dimly lit with soft shadows that add to the sadness of the scene. Realistic emotional expression, high detail, dramatic lighting. You can see that. So this is amazing. Exactly the prompt. So we are going to just choose a particular image that let's just choose a particular image, and you can see it also generates avatar of it. Okay, avatar of the image. So let's just look for a particular image to make use of. So let's use the first one. So you can click this plus sign to turn the image into video. So let's just choose this particular one. So let's wait for it to turn into video. Okay, it's done generating. Let's see what will happen. Let's see the results. You can see that. So if you want to download, just come down to this facing downward to download it. So let's just click to download. Okay, it's done downloading. It's done downloading. So if you need another one, you can just do the same thing. Click down here to change it to video. So let's go and copy another prompt to see what will happen. Let's copy another prompt. Let's go to ChatGPT. Then let's copy the second prompt. A man standing. Okay, let's copy this particular prompt. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so it's copied. So we are going back to Grok and then type to imagine, and so let me edit this other part, and then so what we need to do, just go ahead to send in the prompt. Let's see what will happen. Like, it's very, very fast. Grok doesn't take time, just very fast. Wow, this is beautiful. Let's see, let's choose a particular one to change into a video. Let's choose a particular one. So let's use the number 4. Let's use this fourth one. So let's change to video. I'm going to click on that plus sign and then to turn into video. So let's see, let's wait to see the results. And one amazing thing is that you can as well use your picture. You can as well turn your picture into video. So I don't know if I should show you in this particular video or I should make a separate video on that. But let's see what will happen. If at all I'm going to show you. So it's done generating. So let's click to see what will happen. This is wonderful. So click here to download. So that is that. And then one amazing thing is that Grok gets to generate unlimited images for you. You can see, unlike the last video that I made on how you can make images using Grok, like, it gives you unlimited images. This is so awesome. Okay, if you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I noticed that most of my viewers are not subscribing to my channel, and you may happen to be one of them. Please go ahead to subscribe to this channel and also give this video a thumbs up. So let's continue. So let's go and copy the last prompt to see what will happen. I'm going back to Grok to paste the last one. So I'm going to send. Let's see what will happen. Amazing. Let's click on this plus sign to change into video. I'm selecting the fourth one. Let's turn it into video. Okay, it's done generating. So let me play. You can see that. You can see how amazing that is. I told you that you can as well turn your picture, yes, into video. So I'm going to show you, yes, in this particular video. So this is how to turn your image, your picture into video. So come down here, click on it, then go ahead to select any photo of yours. So I'm going to select this particular picture. Now, one thing you should note is that this acts based on your facial expression. So if your face is moody, that is the same video that it will come out. Like, for instance, this particular picture that you are seeing here, it may happen that it will bring out a video of me crying. So it works based on your facial expression. You can see it's bringing out video of me being moody. So if you want to download, come down here, download, click there to download. Okay, so let me go back. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me use another photo. So I'm going to click here. Okay, let me use this particular picture. See what will happen. This acts based on your facial expression. If you are smiling, it will bring out the video of you smiling. If you are moody, yeah, it will give you a video of you being moody, maybe crying, things like that. So let's see what will come out. You can see that. You can see that. You can see that. Okay, then I'm going to download. So that is how to turn your image into video using Grok. I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also share this video. Make sure you share it on your WhatsApp status, and also drop your thank you in the comment section. And let me know if I should make a video on how you can use Grok to do a full African folktales video. If you want me to make a video of that, drop in the comment section. Let me know. Just type in the comment section if you want me to make a full video on how you can use Grok to make African folktales video for your channel. Drop in the comment section. Let me know. If I have up to 5 people that are interested in the video, I'm going to make it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Okay, we've come to the end of today's video, and I hope you found it helpful, didn't you? You have to go ahead to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.